This is the Chapter 2 overview. Just a reminder that this video overview is to give you an idea of what we covered and what you should focus on in Chapter 2. It should not replace reading the chapter for important details or completing any activity. Chapter 2 focuses on getting a clearer picture of your financial situation and where your income is going. We have all asked ourselves, especially when we get our tax statement for the year showing how much we have made that year, as to where in the world it has all gone. If you've asked yourself that and are honest with yourself, then you know that you need to pay special attention to this chapter. It is important to be able to assess your financial position in more detail using basic accounting concepts, including balance sheets and cash flow statements. Determine how much money comes in and how much goes out. This helps to create a budget that fits your lifestyle and yet keeps you focused on your financial situation. But don't panic. You do not need accounting to learn how to do a simple personal balance sheet and cash flow statement. Why a balance sheet? A balance sheet is a snapshot of your financial position at a specific point in time. You should keep one current, as banks may ask for one when you apply for a loan, and it gives you a good picture of how you are doing. Total assets minus total liabilities equals net worth, a basic equation. Keep that positive. The goal is to increase your net worth by either increasing assets or decreasing net worth. Why a cash flow statement? Cash flow statements give you a good look at your situation right now. It also gives you something to do, a ratio analysis of your overall budget, as well as a comparison of others. This gives you a good idea of how you are doing. This chart shows some basic ratio examples and how to calculate them. You'll want to refer to this chart as you do some of the assignments. It's important that you know what your debt ratio is, what your current ratio is, savings ratio. Those are probably the three most important. It's important to compare yourself with others that are in similar situations, or to compare yourself with the average in similar situations so that you can see how you are doing. Another part of this chapter is records retention. You should be concerned about identity theft. When in doubt, you should shred. Be careful what you throw away, but also you want to shred things as you can. I recently heard of someone that boxed everything up and took it to somewhere where they shred it for them without any charge. You need a small burn-proof safe. Keep the title to your car, birth certificate, and your Social Security card in it. These are things that should not be carried around with you. The other thing is that we're doing more and more on computers, so computer records. The upside to doing everything on the computer is ease of creation and saving. The downside is hackers. Keep your browser and virus software up to date. Be careful of passwords. Have difficult passwords for sites that are security important, such as banks, and slightly easier ones for those that are not as important in security. End of this video overview.